want to understand quantum mechanics, first you have to strong your mathematics, because mathematics is the language of the science that you study physics, chemistry, everything involves mathematics. So I'm gonna tell you how to strong your mathematics. Many people don't teach mathematics, they only teach the basics, what's the use in the quantum mechanics to study. But first we will cover all the mathematics which is not gonna use in quantum mechanics. We'll study some extra mathematics, so it will be beneficial for us only. For first we are gonna master is calculus. If you don't know calculus, then you are in a wrong path. You are not ready to study quantum mechanics. First you have to cover your basics. Then it is known as calculus. Calculus, if you don't know, it only deal with the changes in the mathematics and in physics also. In calculus, we discuss about the change, how the body is changing and everything about the change. If you don't know, it was invented by Newton to describe the laws of nature with the help of mathematics. Then we have linear algebra and higher algebra. Higher algebra is your basic. You have to master it. Then you have to study the linear algebra. These both are only medium to hard. It requires effort to cover, and the most toughest fields of mathematics are two. First is topology and second is ray analysis. It will take around 1.5 months to cover in a speed. If you really want to understand quantum mechanics, you can't understand, because Niels Bohr said that if you understand quantum mechanics, you are an idiot or you are a superhuman, but that's not possible to understand the quantum mechanics. Well, you can't understand it. First of all, you have to cover mathematics, and I hope you know the physics, basic physics like electricity mechanics, classical mechanics. Then we are going to start this quantum mechanics. But first you have to master all the topics, calculus and whatever I told you now. Quantum mechanics is really tough and no one can understand it fully, because it's so much complex subject to understand. And if you don't know about me, I'm gonna teach you quantum mechanics, but I wanna hide my identity, because if someone knows my identity, they are gonna kidnap me and say you can't teach it quantum mechanics. But when my lectures always will come, first we are gonna cover linear algebra and higher algebra, then we'll proceed to calculus. After mastering the calculus, then you have to proceed to topology. After topology, you have to go to real analysis. Then after real analysis, we'll go to, it's significance to learn quantum mechanics. It's very much to understand quantum mechanics. Only these 5 topics. Even it's so much advanced topics, you can understand easily. And one thing is, you have to at least, first of all, you have to sacrifice all the things, your desires, your family in the sense you have to busy, you don't have to indulge in your family function. It's a completely waste of time, and you at least have to practice 10 to the power 6 problems. Not in a day, it's not even possible to cover it. In a month, at least 10 to the power 6 problems. That much problem you have to cover. It's very huge number and it's impossible, many of you are thinking, but it's not that impossible. You can do it. When I start teaching you linear algebra, make sure that your basics are completely strong. Average, you have to do 2500 to 3000 questions daily. It will take around your 10 days. Not 10 days, man. Come on, it's average per day. In one day, you have to solve this much problems. 1000 to 2000 easy, and 500 some tougher problems to understand it, because it's a very vast topic. Many of you can't even understand it, but you have to put your efforts daily. If you are giving up, you don't have to give up, because it's very complex, the topics to understand. Even Niels Bohr and Einstein were also can't able to understand it fully. You have to put your daily efforts and all these things. So thanks for watching. Is the basic introduction how you will cover quantum mechanics, and you have to solve a lot of mathematical problem in physics and chemistry too. We'll cover all these problems by what's today? Today's 18 March, I guess. So we'll cover it by ending of the May. We are covering all these topics and we are proceeding to quantum mechanics. I hope you understand.